Hello everyone, I am Rehan Mashari and welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. Actually, the application we worked on in this tutorial is already a complete. Here it is, you can take a look. Once we get a click on an edit location, it takes some time and then list comes up because first we call the server where we fetch the data and it takes some time. Anywhere if you click anywhere in this list, any option time get updated according to the list, but we need, how can we believe this is the current time of that location? So what we have to do, we have to display the name of the location here too. So for that, go to the section, go to our home page list, and we have to add one more text value here. So just copy it. So we copied it and pasted it above this here. Put a commas here, and now we have to display the data that we passed here as a name of the location. So how we pass the data, just take a look that. So we have don't add here, we have to add here time to location time. Server information object that named as time. There you can take a look in the server information, go to the server information and click here, it will update it. Here you can see server information have a name of location for variable which is assigned here. So let me assign it here. It will get assigned name of location one you passed, it will get here. So it will update it. So we have to use this variable into the home. We can first we have to pass it in a country list as an argument. So here dot name name of location. So we pass it. Now we have to collect that information from this key in a home page, because we already get the argument by help of this route data. So what we have to do, we have to use just change the key here, change this as well for making it a little bold and less bold than the time. And once we click on a hot reload, it will get updated here. Just wait, take a look at how it comes into the display. Here you can say one application get load first time it's get a null, but if we click as edit settings anywhere in this, as I'm clicking it here, wait till it comes, and here you can say that the location is updated. Do you know why it's come null first time? That is because just take your loading screen again, and you see here you call a server, get the response back, and just by the one argument which is a time, not a location. So either we have two things, either we can pass the location names here which we get by this, but what we will do, we will not do this at anymore. What we have to do, we have to do same thing that we done in a country list. So what we have to do, we just need to call the server and fetch the data back and let's get updated. So what we have to do, we have to just call these things here and pass it like this. Copy it from here, go to your loading screen and delete the whole things from here. Just there's a one line, I will explain it why. So copy these things from here and yeah, cut it and paste it here as this, same as that we have earlier. So this is things we don't dream anymore. We have to do same thing again because Asian file is the same as the URL. We have to import it and we have almost done. We have to keep it waiting until the information get out from the us, and it will be the future. First we already called it hit server in a loading screen. so do not need to worry about it. Click on hot reload and let's see what it brings us for in a result. And here you can see the location updated here. If we click anywhere, the location is updated there, and as usual. So what we have to do, we have to take a look one thing. Once it takes some time, so we have to display some process bar here. So how we can do this is the way, this is why I make a specific video on this tutorial after completing the app. Just go to the home screen, sorry, country list screen, where you have to wait for some time. So what we have to do, actually we have an array, we have a list of a string location area, and it will become length 0 until the result dot not get back and set state not called. So what we have to do, go to your screen again, go to the under the list that you made for it here. So what we have to do, we have to put a if else here. If array dot length is greater than 0, then we have to return the same thing that we are returning it here. But if else, what we have to return, we have to spin kit that we are using it here. So we have to return this, return spin kit class dot white and here it is. Click on run again. Here you can take a look the output. Click anywhere on the list, wait then until it appear on the home screen where we get the fetch the result of time. Here you can say the time is updated. Click on it location, but it's not shown here. So go to the again the login project screen. First we have to do two things. First we have to add delay, because it takes some time. If it then the spinner get clearly visible for us. The structure of using delay is here. Future.delay date duration. Click call this function under this after 3 seconds. So it will call get after 3-second delay. We have to do several things. Actually we don't have anything here in the list, so it will produce a 0 and not display anywhere in the screen. So what we have to do, we have to add these, and before calling the server and fetch the data under here, we have to do one more thing, make it clear. Location array dot clear. Hope you understand. Click on hot reload and wait till it appear on the screen as a result. So you have to change the color, because our background is white, we have to spin it as a blue, get a size of 50. And one more thing, because one is empty, we are one default value under the list, so you have to check greater than 1. Click on hot reload and here it is. Before load it will show spinners here. So the task for you is you have to put in the spinner in the center. It's a task for you, and you click anywhere and its time get updated. So this is all from this Flutter series, but I will keep making another video on a Flutter on a different series where we got to learn that how we connect in Firebase, how to work in a Firebase, and different things about the Flutter. Until now, bye, and if you like my video, please subscribe the channel, do commenting, likes, and share it with friends and family. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.